Welcome friends, we have on the board an Olympiad math question. If 8 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 130, let us find the value of x. Okay, solution to this question given is 8 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x equal to 130. Okay, but 8 is 2 raised to the power 3, so I can represent 8 as 2 raised to the power 3, then everything raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x equal to 130. I can switch the exponents to have it written as 2 raised to the power x into power 3 plus 2 raised to the power x equal to 130. If you look at it now, I have inside the bracket here 2 raised to the power x, and I have also here 2 raised to the power x. So I can let 2 raised to the power x to be any letter. Let's say let y be equal to, or we can use u, let u be equal to 2 raised to the power x. That means anywhere I see 2 raised to the power x, I can replace it with the letter u. And that means from here, it will be u raised to the power 3, then plus u, then is equal to 130. Moving 130 from the right hand side to the left hand side, it is going to be u raised to the power 3 plus u minus 130 is equal to 0. I can now factorize it. Okay? I can write u plus u as minus 25u plus 26u. It can work because from 25 I can get 5, and 5 times 26 can give me 130. That means factorizing this expression, this equation, it will now be u to the power of 3 minus 25u, then plus 26u minus 130 is equal to 0. Because the addition of minus 25u and the plus 26u will give us exactly plus u. So making what we have here exactly the same. Now, moving forward on this, it is now going to be into factors so that we can find what is common, putting it into brackets. In the first bracket, what is common is u. So I can factor u out, leaving me with u raised to the power 2 minus 25. Okay, into the second bracket, what is common is plus 26 because 26 can divide 130. So having plus 26, I will have left inside the bracket u minus 5. Everything is equal to 0. My practice is life. Okay. Now, here I can write this as u into u squared minus 5 squared because 25 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power 2. Then plus 26 into u minus 5 all equal to 0. And if I have a note that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That implies this u squared minus 5 squared can be written in this order, that is difference of two squares. Alright. From here we now have u into the bracket u plus 5, then u minus 5. Now, I have represented u squared minus 5 squared in the form of difference of two squares. Alright, then closing the bracket, I will have plus 26 into u minus 5. Everything is equal to 0. Okay, here I have u minus 5. This place I have u minus 5, so it is common. It can be factored out. And when it is factored out, it will now be u minus 5. Okay, then into the bracket, u multiplying u plus 5, then plus 26. Everything now can be equal to 0. Mass is good. Mass is life. Okay, it will now result to u minus 5 into, I have again, u multiplied by u is u squared, u multiplied by 5 is 5u, then plus 26, everything is equal to 0. At this juncture, the first bracket is equal to 0, the second bracket, which is a quadratic equation, is also equal to 0. Now what we do, we write u minus 5 is equal to 0, meaning that u is equal to 5. We have gotten the first value of u, but then we are not looking for the value of u. We are asked to find the value of x. So what we do is, after evaluating the second bracket, we now substitute the value of u equal to 5 into where we say let u be equal to 2 raised to the power x. Alright. Moving forward, what we are going to do next is to come to the second bracket and also equate it to 0. That means u squared plus 5u plus 26 is equal to 0. But this place, we want to first and foremost find out if it is going to give us real solutions. What is the condition to know if it will give us real solutions is when we find the discriminant. And if the discriminant is greater than 0, the discriminant, if it is greater than 0, it will give us 2 real solutions. But if the discriminant is less than 0, it is going to give us complex solution. Okay? And if the discriminant is equal to 0, that is going to give us only 1 real solution. Therefore, we have to find out this quadratic equation, the type of solution that it will give us. Doing that, and what is that discriminant? Discriminant says that it is b squared minus 4ac. So when this value is less than 0, then we reject it because it is going to result into complex solutions. Therefore, what is the value of b? A is equal to 1 from here, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 26. Substituting into the discriminant formula, that becomes 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1 multiplied by 26. 5 squared is 25, 4 times 26, 4 times 6 is 24, 24, then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2, 104. So this is now going to give us minus 79, implying that the discriminant is less than 0 because minus 79 is a number in the negative side of the real numbers line. Okay, now what does it mean? We reject this and move ahead with the u equal to 5. Therefore, we move ahead with the u equal to 5. But then, what is the value of u here? U is said to be equal to 2 raised to the power x. I replace this place with t. 2 raised to the power x is equal to 5. What then should be done? I want to get x now. I have gotten u equal to 5. I have replaced the value of u, 2 raised to the power x equal to 5. What will be that value of x? Now, let us apply logarithms to both sides of the equation. Mass is life. Okay, so therefore, log 2 raised to the power x is equal to log 5. Okay? Applying the exponential law of logarithms. This x will come to the front here to give me x log 2 is equal to log 5. Therefore, dividing both sides by log 2, it is now going to give me x equal to log 5 all over log 2. But then, we can apply calculator here. What is log 5? Log 5, okay, is equal to 0.6989, whereas log 2 is 0.3010. So we divide it, divided by 0.3010. And this will now be that the value of x in the given question is 2.3221. Okay? This is the value of x. So in conclusion, the value of x in the given question is 2.3222. Alright. I will encourage you to substitute the value of x in which we have gotten as the answer for x into the original equation to see if the left hand side after substituting the value of x will be equal to 130. Thank you dear friends for watching to the end. Please kindly share the video and also subscribe to my channel. God bless you.